My name is Divyang. I present on the topic of Operation Sindoor because there is a current scenario. All heard about that type of Operation Sindoor because there is a many news are circulating in every news station or a social media. You know about the facts of all the news and what is the impact on the Operation Sindoor or impact on the Pakistan. So in this presentation, I know about the facts. In first slide, the attack are on 22 April in Pahalgam. The attack are planning by the four terrorists. The terrorist group are Lashkar-e-Taiban. It is planned by the that terrorist groups, and they are planning with they plan a tourism place to attack and plan their attack in the tourism place. So he in this Pahalgam they killed 26 people in the open ground field. In third slide, the Operation Sindoor overview. The operation launched on the 7th May, and the objective of the Operation Sindoor are terrorist attack on the terrorist infrastructure and Pakistan occupied Kashmir on a cross border because there is a many terrorist groups or a camp are developing on the POK. So the Indian government are planning to destroy all the defense systems or a terrorist camps on the POK. In fourth slide, the execution and the strategy. The Indian government strategy is uh, they launch a missile of name of BrahMos missile and Akash surface to the air missile system because in operation they use that kind of missile to attack and destroy the terrorist base camp. The sixth slide is the impact and outcome. You know that over the 100 terrorists are killed in this operation, and the significant damage of infrastructure are also in this operation. There is a huge damage impact on our terrorist groups because they destroy all the terrorist base camp. And there is also a Pakistan losses the infrastructure because they attack on the base camp of the military of Pakistan, and they almost 20% damage on the base camp. Seven slide is domestic and the international reaction. You know that the Trump is very interesting to heard that kind of news because they solve the situation because there is a big situation are created on the world and impact on the world. So he can resolve the problem and take a ceasefire to the both country, and the both country are decided to ceasefire on their behalf. And slide 8 is strategic implication. And you know that in this Operation Sindoor, there is a Air Force and the Navy Force are together come and take the operation successfully. And you know that they take very good operation in this Operation Sindoor. Conclusion of the Sindoor. Of the Sindoor is the terrorist, they attack on the terrorist base camp and destroy all the terrorist group base camps. You make a question with me and a knowledge to how you can gain with me. You put any question to me. Any question? Because I know that you can make a good information. There is so many bad information regulated in a social media. I know the knowledge provided with you guys with a good information and knowledge of our Operation Sindoor. That's my aim. Thank you, everyone.